The Hasselblad X3D 150C represents a true leap forward in professional photography, a camera that doesn't merely refine medium format imaging, but completely redefines it. From the moment you see it, the X3D 150C commands attention, signaling that this is a tool built for serious photographers, not casual shooters. Its design is restrained yet powerful, a combination that instantly conveys purpose. Every element, from the contours of the body to the tactile feel of the controls, reflects a dedication to precision and artistry. This is a camera for creators who treat photography not as a task, but as an expressive craft. Handling it feels more like holding a finely tuned instrument than operating a digital device, with every touch point carefully designed to enhance the creative process. Much like a luxury watch, the X3D 150C balances mechanical excellence with aesthetic elegance. Its philosophy encourages photographers to slow down, to engage with the scene thoughtfully, and to consider light, color, and composition with intent. This is not a tool for speed, but for reflection and deliberate creation. Its body, machined from a single block of aluminum alloy, exudes strength and sophistication. Clean lines and smooth surfaces reflect a minimalist Scandinavian design language that marries functionality with understated beauty. Nothing is superfluous. Every element has a purpose, creating a feeling of harmony and precision in both design and use. Ergonomically, the camera improves on everything its predecessors offered. The grip is sculpted for comfort and stability, allowing for extended shooting sessions without fatigue. Buttons and dials are minimal but thoughtfully placed, creating an interface that feels natural and intuitive. The tactile feedback is satisfying. Shutters, dials, and the magnetic battery system all provide a response that feels deliberate and refined. Even the top display mirrors the elegance of a high-end automobile instrument panel, presenting critical information with clarity while reinforcing the luxurious feel of the camera. Every interaction with the X3D 150C is purposeful, smooth, and rewarding, demonstrating Hasselblad's commitment to both form and function. At the heart of the X3D 150C lies a groundbreaking 150-megapixel backside-illuminated SIMO sensor developed in partnership with Sony. Measuring 44 by 33 millimeters, it is significantly larger than a full-frame sensor, offering dramatic improvements in depth control, noise reduction, and tonal fidelity. The results are extraordinary. Textures, from delicate fabrics to skin nuances, are captured with astonishing realism, and light transitions appear smooth and natural. The images are immersive, with a three-dimensional quality that brings scenes to life in a way few cameras can achieve. Coupled with 16-bit raw output capable of recording an astounding 281 trillion colors, the tonal gradations feel seamless, rendering shadows and highlights with natural elegance and fidelity. The level of detail and depth is such that photographs feel alive, evoking emotion rather than simply presenting information. Hasselblad's natural color solution continues to elevate the X3D 150C, ensuring that colors remain true and consistent across varying lighting conditions. Skin tones are warm and accurate, reds are rich without being overpowering, and blues maintain depth without artificial saturation. Whether shooting in controlled studio settings, natural daylight, or mixed lighting conditions, color accuracy remains reliable, giving photographers confidence that what they capture in camera reflects their creative intent. This level of predictability allows professionals to spend less time correcting color and more time focusing on composition and storytelling. Medium format cameras have often been associated with exceptional image quality, but slower operation. The X3D 150C challenges that notion with a phase detection autofocus system, featuring over 300 points, now enhanced with face and eye detection. While it may not rival ultra-high-speed cameras designed for sports, it delivers precise, dependable focus with speed and confidence for portraiture, studio, or controlled outdoor photography. Coupled with a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system offering up to 7 stops of compensation, the camera allows handheld shooting at shutter speeds as low as 1/5 of a second without sacrificing sharpness. This opens up possibilities for creative handheld shooting in low light or challenging environments where a tripod is impractical. The 3.6-inch tilting touchscreen adds a layer of practicality, with a responsive interface that feels modern and effortless to navigate. Menus are clean and adjustments intuitive, allowing photographers to concentrate on creativity instead of wrestling with technology. Battery life and internal SSD storage further enhance workflow efficiency, reducing interruptions and accelerating file management for the large 150-megapixel files the camera produces. These improvements make extended professional shoots more seamless and keep the focus where it belongs, on creating outstanding images. While the X3D 150C is primarily a stills camera, its video capabilities are more than adequate for cinematic needs. It supports internal 4K 12-bit RAW recording at up to 30 frames per second, using the full sensor readout. The footage inherits the same exceptional color depth, tonal richness, and dynamic range that define Hasselblad photography. Though not a dedicated cinema camera, it is perfect for behind-the-scenes content, interviews, short films, or other artistic video projects. The seamless transition between stills and video adds versatility without compromising image quality. Despite its refined appearance, the camera is built to withstand demanding conditions. Its magnesium alloy body is lightweight yet durable, with weather sealing that protects against dust and moisture. The combination of elegance, resilience, and functional design ensures it is equally suitable for studio, location, or outdoor shoots. It embodies a rare duality, a luxury object that can confidently endure professional use while remaining a joy to handle. What truly distinguishes the X3D 150C is the cohesion of its system. Every element, from sensor to body, software to interface, works together in harmony. There is no sense of excess. Instead, the camera operates as a complete, purposeful instrument designed to enhance the creative process. It encourages photographers to slow down, observe their environment, and approach each shot with care. In doing so, it reminds users that exceptional photography comes not just from tools, but from patience, perception, and intent behind the lens. The X3D 150C sets a new standard for medium-format photography. It offers artists and professionals an instrument capable of producing images of extraordinary depth, clarity, and authenticity. From pressing the shutter to reviewing the final photograph, every experience reflects precision, artistry, and an understanding of photography as a true craft. For those who demand excellence, the X3D 150C is more than a camera. It is a creative partner, an extension of vision that bridges technology and artistic expression. It doesn't simply document the world. It inspires the way you see it, elevating photography into an immersive, expressive art form. By combining technical mastery with aesthetic grace, the Hasselblad X3D 150C transforms every interaction into a celebration of vision, creativity, and uncompromising quality.